today, and it's a makeup video. Yes, you can see by the cover or the thumbnail or whatever, the title. Yes, a makeup video. And I'll be showing you guys how I do my makeup. I don't do it every day, but I do it some days. And I'm growing some acne there, which is not good. But yeah, disclaimer, I know 2020 had been the worst year of our lives, but that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. You guys get to watch me do my makeup. Just joking. In some states and towns, there's actually, like, okay, in my town, I don't know what that is, but I'm quite concerned. Like, what is that white spot back there? Okay, whatever. We're opening restaurants now and stuff, and you don't know how excited I've been. Yeah, I have a mirror right here. Yeah, I'm just happy that everything's opening now. We call them phrases. I don't know if you guys do, but well, I mean, you guys are in Canada, but I don't know. Most of you guys yeah. So I was looking at some history things, like, stuff. And y'all were looking at my channel instead of finding on other stuff. So I'm kind of concerned, or kind of like a little bit scared, because me, I am an introvert, and I don't know how you guys find my videos, but yeah. I'm trying to be kind to say, oh guys, I love you, but I just realized some of my students are watching this, and I don't. The main reason why people watch me probably is just to tease me, but I don't know if that's true. But yeah, I just think that in my concern, I think they would love me to say that, because that's kind of weird, honestly. So I wouldn't say that anymore. And I do not love my students, because most of them are mean, honestly. I'm not saying that in I'm not saying that in the kiddish way. But yeah. I decided to do a video, guys. Type of thing. Just keep following. So yeah, I hope you like this video. At least, yeah. Enjoy. Hello, so I'll be using this random era called facial peeling mask thing, and this mask actually is kind of changing. I meant, sorry, I can't talk, and I'm not gonna redo this thingy. So yeah, and I'm putting it all over my face. Okay, look, it does a weird effect on me. It actually takes all the mud away from my face. It's disgusting. You can see all the dirt on my face, but at least it's doing something. And I'm gonna use my sleeve, I'm sorry, because I don't actually have a towel next to me. So if y'all enjoyed this video, yeah, let's talk about that stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna rub that on my face and do the best of it. I used it in the era starter kit, so y'all should actually buy it. I recommend it. So yeah, hope y'all really like it. So yeah, thank you. So I'm gonna use this liquid makeup by LA Colors in the color tan. Okay, I don't know why it's called liquid colors, but yeah. And I'm gonna be using a green beauty blender. So yep, everything just fell. So thank you. And I'll be putting it on the beauty blender, just like that. Just dab it up, and smother out, pat it on my face. Just kind of easy, It's very easy to do. So yeah, just keep on watching this, I guess. Next, I'll be using this Asmar, I don't know, and instant of youth. I don't know how to pronounce this. Yes, I don't know how. So yeah, I'll put it in the link. I'm not gonna just straight up put a picture in here. So yeah. We have a stay all day contour and highlighter, and I mean by highlighter, I mean it's fake, because it's dull and it doesn't have like any glitter. So yeah, by 7 Cool Professional Makeup. I just exposed them, so yeah, you better not use this. I'm just using it for a translucent powder. Now I'll be using talc, sheer body talc by Oscar de Renta himself. Like literally, I don't know why I have this, but I'm so proud that I did. I also had his perfume. I think he like sells like expensive dresses. So yeah, I feel so lucky to have this, I guess. Oh my god, like really, yeah, I'm proud. Now I'm gonna use this eye cream from the Era starter kit. Starter kit event. So yeah, I'm just gonna rub that all over my eyes. And yeah. Now I'm gonna use is the LA Colors palette. It's just a palette. I don't know what type it is. Well, I don't have it with me right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna use the middle brown one. So yeah. Now I'll be using this bronzer. Yeah, ignore that little thing inside the bronzer. That's just water. So yeah, I'm gonna use it on myself. Contour my cheeks and my forehead, or temples. So yeah. Now I'm gonna use this mascara. Okay, this is very liquidy. Like I do not recommend this. Like you make your lashes so clumpy. So yeah, I'm just gonna put those on my brows, I guess. I meant lashes. So yeah. Now I'm gonna use this blush by LA Colors in the color I think Rose. So yeah, I'm just gonna use my brush and put those on my cheeks. Now I'm gonna take the highlighter by the Body Shop and I'm just gonna put those on my cheeks. So yeah. Now I'm using the Claire's lip gloss type of thing, and the third row, the middle third row I'm gonna use, so yeah. Thanks for y'all for watching this video. Yep, this is the end. So yeah, thank you y'all. And yeah, this video was very lame, but yeah, hope you like it and subscribe.